one. Do you remember the Godzilla one?
Yeah, you did the Godzilla video, right?
That one was pretty cool, and this one's also. This guy is the monster truck. His roof can come off, and you can like do stuff with it. The roof can come off, and now it's the second one.
Are these where all your Legos are? Oh, okay. What you got?
So, this is the camper. Oh darn, where is that? That circle's prestigious. Oh yes.
Found it? Ah.
So, this is the Lego camper. And this side can open up. And they can do this. And now back to this side. This side door can open up and you can put a person in here to sleep. And I think they'll like this one.
I think they'll like that one too.
Because it can open up, and let me show you what's inside this. This can open up, and this can.
Looks like a house.
And that's where you get up. There's stairs to get up there. In bed. And there's like a little mountain picture on there.
Cool.
Now,
Does it hook onto the truck?
yeah, there's like a hook. Now I have to close it up. And now I have to do the second car. This one's pretty cool. Wait, let me open all these. So, this one's pretty cool. I took the head off because it doesn't really fit. And the back can go backwards. And you can take this off and do this race car. I showed them my race car I can do. And then when I take this off. This one is pretty cool. Now let's go on the second one. Drill. Here's the drill one. It can do this.
Pretty neat.
And it can go this way and this way. And there's like this turner in the back.
Wow, so you do that?
Yeah, like you can try. And yeah, and the person's in there. Make it. Yeah, and now the second one. This one's pretty big.
Helicopter? Whoa.
Look.
Pretty cool.
It can do, this is the Lego helicopter. This was like the first one I built it. And there's this hook and there's this shooter gun. Let me tell them a secret. Shoot in the face.
Yeah, don't shoot yourself in the face, right?
That's gonna be scary. Now this one's pretty cool because it comes with a truck light on. I don't want to take it out because I just want to do one at a time.
Is that like a farm truck?
So it kind of, if you want to get it out, it's pretty easy. You just take that off and then do the person now. And the steering wheel is in the glass. So at the end, I can tell them a little bit of my Godzilla's at the end of this.
Didn't we just do a Godzilla video?
No, I just have a little bit news at the end.
Okay.
And this is what it can do.
Oh.
And you can take
And you can break it off like that?
Here, it can suck up.
Mm.
You can go this way and then try to suck it up like that.
Wow.
I hope.
Oh, you can just keep breaking it off.
Yeah, I'm
Good thing you know how to fix these, right?
yeah, because I don't remember. I remember.
Uh-oh. The door's locked.
One's pretty cool because stop coming in! Why keep talking, guys?
He's doing a YouTube video.
You
You say hi?
You can ride the Jeep. So this one's pretty cool. This one's pretty cool because look, this one's really cool because I didn't know I can do holes. Holes are like pretty cool for me. Like you can like do this. Holes are like you can put them through another, and then this. Now the second one. I was gonna do the race car at the end, but I want to do it. I'm gonna show them my little car. Now it's done. So this is my little car. This was the last Legos I did. Well, the second one were all of these. So I don't know why I built this with Daddy. It's kind of confusing if you take it a whole part. If you take the whole thing apart, you can only see that brown part. What the? Now the second one. This was the cool one because you can pretend you're driving it like.
Does all that, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Now this is the second one. The train. The train is like cool. It's like this one. If you want to put somebody in, you just have to take the roof apart. And there had to be a smokestack. Do you remember that smokestack?
I remember.
Yeah, I don't know where that went.
Uh-oh, what, did we lose it?
Yeah, it's okay. Now one is gone. Let me tell them the secret again. The same of the helicopter.
Ah, what's that, a snowplow?
Yeah, and the shooter. The roof can come off. There's somebody in. Comes with a cup of coffee. Watch this. Can we do a car one where they play? Like can we do a city Lego one
I think so.
after this? So we can do that. And that's what it can do. Now second one. So
Ooh, what is
I
that?
need a little fixing.
All right.
So guys, there's a little crack because I don't know how to put that in. I just know what this is. How do you put this in?
Let's do this. Ah! Who broke that? Mommy broke it?
Yeah.
Here, it's closed.
Well, we need that in.
Thank God you're here to fix it.
Thank God. Why did you say that?
Because Daddy broke it.
Oh, you didn't? Let's keep it like that.
All right. We'll figure it out.
Yeah. You see this? It can do this. Go straight. That's weird. I like boom.
All right. What else you got in there?
Okay.
Let's see. Something wrong with your pants?
I'm okay.
Oh, good. As long as you're okay.
I can fix the tires.
Oh. Get a live demonstration here.
I know I'll fix it.
Of course you do.
Oh.
Sure about that?
Yeah, it goes like that.
Oh, okay.
Cause do you remember? This one was a little hard because there's like holes in here, you can't see them. And this goes on this one. Look. This is how it works.
Very cool.
Now the second. This is nothing. This comes with the drill and it comes with a spider. On the back of the page, it says it lights up in the dark. It never lights up in the dark when I see it. So Katie broke this one.
Katie broke it. What?
Look.
Ah.
And we lost that.
How do you feel about that, Robert?
Oh, happy?
You feel happy that you broke it?
Yeah, because it stole the normal car.
Right? Just because it's broken doesn't mean you can't play with it, right?
No, it.
Oh, he's thinking. Is that where that goes?
Yeah. Remember the Lego set on TV?
Ah, that's right, I remember.
That was this.
That's right.
Oh,
It
good
fits on the
God.
truck.
Good God.
I think that's the way it's supposed to go.
Oh, good God. It's going off the side when I was on there. This is the second one. This one's weird on the bottom because look, Daddy was goofy on this one.
Daddy was goofy?
On the bottom.
Just on this one though, right?
Yeah, on
Daddy's
the,
never goofy, right?
No, you're goofy on. You were
Hey.
goofy on the bottom of this.
Oh, jeez.
This is where the gas comes out of, and here's the secret.
Oh, there's a secret too? Oh, what's this, an engine?
Yeah, it has a blaster. I want to shoot it.
Oh, please don't. Who is it, Star Wars?
Yeah. I'm gonna shoot it.
This is that movie that no one saw.
Oh yeah.
Hashtag Solo lost money, right?
What?
Exactly.
I'm gonna shoot it.
Oh, please don't.
How do you shoot it?
Why don't we shoot it later?
So
Let's show people all the other Legos we have.
this one's broken.
Oh,
It's so
who broke this one? Not Daddy, right?
No, though.
Right.
Watch. It goes like whoop. It was almost like this, Daddy. It was like boom.
Yeah.
That's gonna be crazy if I fly there. You have to crumble up.
Yeah, you show them how you get the net in?
That's only how I do
Let's see. That's how you do it. Is there a different way of doing it? Oh.
it. You have to push it really hard.
All right, without breaking it, right? Struggle is real.
I was not struggling.
Of course you weren't.
And now you put it in.
All right, I'll put this one in. You get another one.
I was like, and then they were almost like, wow! Whoa!
Yep, nailed it.
Nail it.
Oh, what's that? Southwest, huh?
This is the airplane.
Does Daddy fly in that?
I know it looks ugly right here.
No, it doesn't.
I colored on that.
Oh, well, you shouldn't have done that.
With burn and marker.
Yeah.
And the dog says, "Oh my God."
Yeah, the dog said, "Oh my God."
He's like, so the thing goes.
Oh, boy, we're getting silly. Let's see if we can finish this video.
This is the police car.
Okay.
No, it's not. This
Yeah.
is the police bike.
Oh.
So you take that guy out. Look.
Well, we'll fix it later.
This is the gun for the Jurassic Park.
Oh, it's a Jurassic Park truck?
Their hands get in here, then they pull it this way, and then they're trapped.
Oh, they're trapped, huh? Sort of like us in this house.
Yup.
We're trapped because of this virus.
No, trapped because if somebody's like, "Whoa!" and then they open the door, they're going.
Oh boy.
This car's pretty cool. Because look, looks like you can go really fast like this.
Oh, it's one of those.
Farting cars.
Okay. All right, let's show the rest of them. Because this video is going to be 3 hours long.
Oh, yeah. This one's pretty cool because look.
Oh, this is the Transformer car? It makes those noises too? How does it make that noise?
I don't know. There's somebody inside. Now show the rest.
All right, let's just show the rest. A couple more.
And then we're gonna do another one.
Oh, I can't wait.
Oh, yeah, that one's gonna be fun.
This looks like a police truck.
So this police truck is pretty cool. There's like guns.
Oh.
Oh,
Is that Mr.
doors-
Policeman?
that's Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones? Officer Jones?
Yeah, Officer Mr. Squirrel Jones.
Hmm.
Who's that? So this one's pretty cool. Look.
Oh, it's like a command center.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It comes with this bike and it flies up.
Oh, there's a puppy.
And then there's a working space. And then there's a... And
Oh.
these two gates can open up.
Oh, it's like a jail cell?
This is like the camper.
Oh,
That satellite.
all right. What else we got?
I have to put that stuff in. Or I can just put it on there. I can put the bike on the top. Daddy did this Lego set and it's really hard for me. And the police motorcycle, another one. So this one's pretty cool. Daddy did this by himself. And I was just looking at it and I was asking a lot of questions. And look.
Oh, the legs go down. Hmm. So we can land?
Now a second. This one's pretty cool because, look, it has 3 cars.
What are those, ATVs?
What?
ATVs?
What's that?
That's what it is.
This is also like this.
Yeah.
Well, the roof is the problem.
Is this Robert driving around? Is this Robert and Caden?
This is me. That's Caden. This is me. That's me driving in quad. He's driving it faster. And then it connects when they're done. The roof comes off and there's a problem. And then they come
That goes up.
This goes up by 1.
Ah.
The pizza truck is mixed up because it has the workers guy and it has some french fries and some silicone and some pizza. Who keeps doing that? That's me because I keep trying to get it in there. I can do this. And of course that is in there. And the pizza guy's driving the back of the truck.
Oh, is this a farm truck?
No, the farm truck is somewhere else.
Oh, okay.
The farm truck is right.
All right, what else you got in there? Was it
There.
2 more?
Yeah, they're free.
3 more.
So this is the one that can bend all the way down. And look. This broke once time. That one turns. This one's, there's the dinosaur egg inside.
Is this another Jurassic World?
There's a little, I'm just pretending there's a little lost raptor in there.
Oh.
You can,
Just like the movie, right?
yeah, try to get the egg. Another Jurassic World. This is like the place.
That's Star-Lord?
Whoa, it has like little ones.
Ah.
What does Star Wars mean?
Star-Lord?
Yeah, what does that mean?
Just, that's him. That's another Jurassic World one.
Lord Art Jurassic.
And the last one.
The robber.
That's the robber truck.
Yeah, it's under the window. And if you take this off, it's gonna end up doing this. Watch. Not. Yeah, I was saying, help me! I can't do that. I can't put the roof on. But Mommy did that.
That's all your Legos, right?
Now what do I have
All right,
to do?
what do you say, everybody?
Bye bye.
Say thanks for watching, you guys.
Thanks. No, there's gonna be another one.
Another video?
Yep.
I can't wait.
So it's Lego 1, and it's all Legos, and this is the video right now, and we haven't started now. Goodbye. There's another video now. Goodbye. Have a good day. I hope you see our other 2 videos.